Hi, my name is Justin Ferraccio. I'm from Party Rental Knowledge. I'm here today from Buffalo, New York, all the way over by Utica, New York, to hang out with Adam, the tent guy today. Show him some bounce house stuff.
So this is Justin, my friend and Patreon patron. He actually came out and worked with us today, and he's done tents for a long time, so it was very cool to have him because we didn't have to tell him anything. He just did everything, so it was really cool. He just showed me how to set up bounce houses, and they're pretty easy. You unroll the thing, put the blower on, and then it inflates. And then he's got a whole bunch of these banners that he can make his bounce houses more versatile. You know, you want to do a theme. This one particular one is Rugrats, but if you had some sort of princesses or some other, you know, theme that is trademarked or something, you could probably use that. It is kind of annoying putting these on, but it does make your units a little more versatile. And yeah, it's just as simple as that. Unroll the unit, blow it up, kind of do a few things here and there.
You want to add a 45-degree angle, and then you smack it all the way down. And the reason I use big cones and big stakes is, one, big stakes because it's not going to go nowhere. Two, big cone because look, it's not even in the ground, it already covers half of it. So say I have a problem and I can't get it all the way in, or yada yada, that's only how much a small cone covers. So you sink these all in, it's not going to hit a power line if the wind picks up or anything like that. Most states require you to use big stakes. Those small little stakes, New York State doesn't require you to use, but I use them anyways. These are easier to get lost than these. That's another reason I like big cones. These banners, like this is one inflatable, but you can buy 10 banners and make this one inflatable 11 inflatables then, because you have 10 banners. And this particular inflatable has 13 Velcro, as well as the 15. So this way you can put these size panels on here, as well as bigger full-size panels. These panels I can use on this piece, and I can also use it on my combo piece. So the same banner can now be used for 2 different bounce houses. So it's 2 bounce houses and 4 different units. So when you roll this, I like to roll these. I don't like to fold these because creases get in them and all that.
Right.
So you just roll it up, just try and keep it tight. So now, right here we have a closed blower tube, then we have a blower going into another blower tube, and right there is a zipper. If you're gonna buy a bounce house, get one with a zipper because they deflate a lot faster.
Yeah.
And I'll show it going down real quick.
Oh, we're gonna let him jump in it a little though, right?
You want him?
Yeah. Right. So that's a lot. That makes it fast.
That makes it faster.
Right.
You don't buy an inflator or deflator. They're junk.
It's not worth
This
it.
is, yeah, they're junk. They're pointless. This is a 1.5. This is a jingle jump blower. It's a weird one. This one's a 1. That unit can blow up on a 1. I put a 1.5 so it goes faster.
Gotcha. That's a 1.
Yep, this is a 1 horsepower. That's a 1.5.
That's 1.5.
Go 2 horsepower. Depends how big your inflatable is. The bigger the inflatable, the bigger the blower you're going to want to use. So this is a 10-pound sledge. If you can get a 15-pound, they don't even really carry them in stores too often, but if you can find a 15, it's even better if you can swing it. When you're putting those big stakes in, using a 5-pounder is pointless. Like you're just gonna be sitting there using twice the amount of energy when you can put a little bit more weight behind it and get them in a lot faster and better. So yeah, don't cheap out on that. And Cobalt, you break this, you bring it back and return it, and they'll bring in another one.
Right.
No questions asked, so you don't have to worry about your workers messing them up, because they will. Or
right.
But if they lose them, it's on you.
There you go.
I like to hold this open sometimes, especially when it gets to bigger slides and whatnot. I'll hold both ends. Right. And when you're buying your units, this one right here, it's got Velcro right here. With this, you do, you flip this around, and that'll keep it open. That keeps it open when you're rolling. Sometimes there's also a piece of vinyl right here. You can pull that out, and that also keeps it so constant air comes to it. That doesn't close. When you're folding this, you want to, the whole goal is this whole thing, this whole bottom is a square, okay? It's all a big piece of vinyl on the bottom. So what you want to do is you want to get this all tucked in to that bottom square, so only that bottom square is on the ground. So pull this back this way. So now, on a regular square bounce house, as long as you get the front and the back pushed in, these sides get folded, so it doesn't really matter because it'll never be showing to the outside.
You want to take this off?
Oh yeah, I gotta take that off. It's always best to take your banner off. Alright, come over here. So now you fold almost all the way. So right about here. Then the person on that side holds it, and you always walk towards the blowers and towards the openings, towards the zippers. So this way all the air escapes. Don't walk back on the inflatable that way because you'll push the air back that way. The one walks good. You pull this in. Flip it over. Hold it down. Get yourself a strap. You can get a double ring strap or a single ring strap. Today I have a single ring strap. I'll show you how to tie the knot in a second once we roll this up. Lift the end up, take strap, keep it in the center of the bounce house, assume the position. Keep it slow at the end. If the air pulls up, this way the air, if you go fast, the air will go back into the roll. Come right here, roll it back a little bit. You want to come over here and just flip that end in. Flip it, hold it half.
Something like that.
Hold it. Yep. If you can see here, guys, this is the bottom end seam. Right here. Roll it up. Take the first strap, place it underneath. Thumb, pull this back, make this small. Grab this piece right here. Pull it through.
Nice. Now, how do we get it in the truck?
Flip it.